The new building of the Yinxu Museum in central China's Henan province opens to public on Monday. It offers a glimpse of the Shang civilization more than 3,000 years ago. As a new landmark of the World Heritage Site in ruins, the museum showcases a diverse range of cultural relics, including bronzeware, pottery, jade objects, and oracle bones.
The expanded Yinxu Museum sits near the archaeological site of the In Ruins, which is the location of the last capital of the Shang dynasty. It is the first national major archaeological museum to comprehensively present the Shang civilization.
殷墟是中华优秀传统文化的典型的代表，包括我们说的文字、礼制、青铜、玉器，这些都是我们中华优秀传统文化的深刻体现，也为我们当下建设中华民族现代文明提供了很好的借鉴。
The new building boasts an exhibition area of 22,000 square meters, where nearly 4,000 items or sets of cultural relics, including bronzeware, pottery, jade objects, and oracle bones, are on display. About 3/4 of these relics are being exhibited for the first time to the public. The In Ruins is the first documented late Shang dynasty capital site in China, as confirmed by archaeological excavations and oracle bone inscriptions.